everyone. Viva al Señor Santo Niño. Today marks a truly momentous occasion as we gather once again to celebrate our unwavering devotion to Señor Santo Niño through the vibrant expressions of faith and gratitude in our Sinaot sa Kalye at mga Inungang Ati 2026. It is a great honor to witness how our beloved teachers and students have come together to offer their talents, energy, and education to praise of Señor Santo Niño. As we behold the vibrant costumes, the spirited pagsinagsak, and the powerful expressions of our cultural identity, let us remember that despite the variety of performances, we are united by one purpose: to give glory and give honor to Señor Santo Niño. Once again, congratulations to everyone. May your faith grow stronger each day, and may Señor Santo Niño continue to bless us all abundantly. And makaroon pa yan, gina-announce natin sa pabuto na Lunes, in klase ng mga estudyante. Tuloy mo, kapag nakapanaino lagi ka mo, may schedule lagi ninyo. So it would be a rest day. Okay? So doon ba yan, mga mulo pagkikita kay Señor Santo Niño, nagpindisyonan kita. So, viva kay Señor Santo Niño, thank you, and God bless us all. Salamat, good.